diferensyang lalaki at ang babae. There's absolutely no difference after decades of study on this matter. Physical strength, mental prowess, and spiritual capacity. Walang kaiba. Meron lang mga malalakas na lalaki, pero meron rin mga malalakas na babae. Ngayon, kung mas malakas yung asawa mo at hindi mo na talaga matiis, kakayanin ka niyan dahil mas malakas siya sa iyo. Di ba, relate mo na lang, tapos na. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung sinusunod ng gobyerno natin itong sinasabi na international law, pagkalahatan na batas ito, or constitutional law, yung batas ng ating saligang batas or constitution. On the one hand, international law on women's rights is found in a growing number of treaties among states. The most basic of these treaties, to which the Philippines is a party, is known as the Convention on the Elimination of Discrimination